But we need to add eyes now. To add eyes, which is insert brush, choose a sphere just right here. Okay. Make sure you got enough resolution. Validate it. Okay. Now we can move this wherever we need it to be. Look at that from different angle. I think that looks pretty good. I mean, using the move brush. Tap it. Make this always unlit. Assign a color to it. Gengar's eye color. Something close to this. And change it to eyes. Eye. Just move it under mirror one. With the eyes created, we need to add iris and eye highlights. Very easy. With eye selected, insert. We'll insert a small cylinder here. Something like that. We just validate it because it's very small, so resolution is not necessarily an issue. Kind of turn it to the way we want to scale it. And we scale it down something like that. It looks good. Let's check the resolution quickly. And I want to apply, using the newly added feature, apply a global smooth. If I zoom in, undo it, and then do it again, smooth, you can see things in action, which is working very well. Maybe a little bit more. We can subdivide it and then apply the smooth even more. Okay, we can apply it to black right away, and the black don't need reflection much, so we just turn the roughness really high. Extend. And we're going to do a boolean of these two. Hide this eye. Check both. Boolean. Okay. Now we have it. Okay, it's a bit hard to see, but let me apply the highlight color because this is gonna be the highlight. So scale it down. Cool. I think I like it. And now let's assign the same purple color to the rest of the body.